guys, it's your boy V back again with another video. So I've recently decided to start a gumball vending machine business, and so far so good. The machine works properly. So this is the machine, and right now it doesn't have any stock in it. I tested everything and everything works out correctly and everything's going well. So the thing is, once I showed my sisters this new business of mine that I'm going to be starting, they decided that they'll be the first customers that will be supporting my business. So I will be stocking a few gumball machines for them so they can buy some of the gumballs right now. So let me just open the gumball machine and let me just fill it up for them so they can buy. So so this is the gumball machine. As you can see, it's a box gumball machine, but it takes out African currency, so that's a 2 rand. It takes 2 rand coins. So right now I will be stocking the gumball machine with new gumballs and everything. Let me just open this. Right now it's almost opened, I think. Yeah, open. So let me just move the top cover, show you the inside. That's the inside of the gumball machine. Everything clicks out, and this right here is my stock that I bought recently. It's fresh stock, so let me just open up the case quickly. Stock a few gumballs for them to purchase. So I'm not gonna fill it up yet. I'm just gonna pour in some so they can buy. So as you all can see, the gumballs are in there. Just put on the top cover. I already tested the gumball machine and everything clicks out good. So my first customer is going to support me right now. You can just set them up. Say and try. Try. No. It's actually supposed to give 1, but for now I'll give it those 2 cents. It already did 2. Then our second customer voor achter zijn daar waar het open is. En draai. En toe. Ja, nog. Zet je 1 aan het corner. Ja, leg hem op.